Brooks and Ted Gulick go.
Frazier has never taken this kind of punishment. Frazier is being battered and Foreman's corner shows the right to go down and down. Time.
Cross dodges all over him, is against the ropes, Foreman swinging wildly and missed.
That what becomes a knockout doesn't always look like one, and Rodriguez goes down.
Trying his best round of the fight here in round 10. There's a right hand.
Watch this beautiful left hook right hand combination.
All over. Kyle has Foreman in trouble. Foreman is down. Back. Oh, Foreman is in trouble. Kyle caught him with a good left. Now George. Now George Strap. Foreman goes down. Lyle's got to come back with now down. Wow. Down to.
Well, kumusta kayong mga idol? Ang ating ngayong pag-uusapan ay patungkol sa 10 knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero sa heavyweight, walang iba kundi si George Foreman. Pero bago ang lahat, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, ay huwag namang kalimutan mag-subscribe at pakihit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago nating i-upload. Tulad nito, maraming salamat po!
1.
Ang ating una sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Joe Frazier noong June 15, 1976 na kung saan pinatikim ni Foreman ang kanyang mabibigat na suntok sa kanyang kabakbakan. Ating panoorin mga idol kung paano nga ba dalawang bisis pinabagsak ni Foreman ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona. Ang ating pangalawa sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Ken Norton noong March 26, 1974 na kung saan binira ni Foreman ang kaliwat kanan ng kanyang kabakbakan. Atin tunghayan kung paano nga ba tinalo ni Foreman ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona.
Done as Foreman is teeing off, and it looks like no. Okay, 7-8, and so as Foreman comes banging on in the second round. Norton goes down again, doesn't? His legs are running, and the left hand goes to the side of that. Right uppercut, and all vicious left. Sends Norton all over right here. It's up to 9, 10, and are they going to continue it, or are they going to stop it? It looks like it may be
3.
Ang ating pangatlo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Tony Pulingangi noong October 27, 1988 na kung saan natikman ito ng kanyang kalaban ang malulutong na suntok mula sa ating bida. Panoorin kung paano nga ba 3 bisis pinabagsak ang kanyang kalaban sa ibabaw ng lona.
Inside that danger zone of Foreman, but
One shot in, looking for the home.
George Foreman just winds up and
He has worked up a sweat.
corner. He can't take the.
There's the uppercut. Bulalangi content, Sean, of staying in the corner.
Sees it, and he goes for the uppercut.
And he's down. What a moment to be smiling.
He's smiling, and that man will wipe the smile.
3 or 4 fights.
Foreman's trying to rough him up.
And it's over here in the second. That could be it. Oh, Foreman thought it was over. Bulalangi responds. Wild swing, and it's over. I don't think he even connected, but it is being counted as a knockdown.
4.
Ang ating pang-apat sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Jerry Cooney noong January 15, 1990 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng malulutong na suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba pinatulog ni Foreman ang kanyang kabakbakan sa ibabaw ng lona.
Standing his ground, punching, and then trying to move out of the way.
And there is the big roundhouse left to trademark. And Jerry Cooney's in big trouble. He's ready to go, and there he goes.
Because he's got a minute and 8 seconds left.
Oh, and that's it. Okay, this fight's over. This fight's
5.
Ang ating panlima sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Ted Kulik noong April 10, 1972 na kung saan inatake ni Foreman na malalakas na mga suntok ang kanyang kabakbakan sa ibabaw ng lona. Atin tunghayang kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa ang kanyang kalaban nang tamaan ito ng malakas na body shot ng ating bida.
Foreman ripping in punches here in round 2. Out this year, George KO'd Murphy weeks ago. Foreman KO'd tough Clarence Boone in the second round. Foreman. Two jolting lefts and Ted Gulick goes down. George Foreman goes to a neutral corner as the referee picks up the count. It doesn't look like Ted's going to make it.
6.
Ang ating pang-anim sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Joe Frazier 1 noong January 22, 1973 na kung saan inatake ni Foreman ng kaliwat kanan ang kanyang kabakbakan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba 6 na beses pinabagsak ng ating bida itong kontrabida.
Frazier has never taken this kind of punishment. Frazier is being battered in Foreman's corner. Joe's about to go down, he does. Goes him down 4 times. There goes Joe down again. The fight is over.
7.
Pambitulas sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Jose Roman noong September 1, 1973 na kung saan nakatikim ito ng pampatulog ng mga suntok mula sa ating bida. Ating tunghayang kung paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo pa itong kontrabida matapos itong bilangan ng referee sa ibabaw ng lona.
Resumes. Of course, George is all over him, and that quick punishing right. Mandatory 8 count is registered. Roman comes back to do battle, but not really. He is against the ropes, Foreman swinging wildly and missing, but final knockdown takes place. This time, Roman will not be getting up. The official time, 2 minutes of the first round.
8.
Ating pangwalo sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Ron Lyon noong January 24, 1976 na kung saan makikita natin mga idol sa bidyong ito ang palitan na knockdown ng dalawang boksingero. Ating
And against the ropes. Certain it is, he didn't know what to do in Zaire. Look at him now. He's a little shaky. The legs just a little rubbery. Foreman is a tremendous fast, and that's what we've got.
Very good counter right hand by Lyle there. Very over right hand is working very well on Foreman's left hand. His left hand is down and
approaching the end of the set, retimed the second round. In our truck, Lyle all over him. Lyle has Foreman in trouble. Foreman is down. Back. Oh, Foreman is in trouble. Lyle caught him with a good left. Now George, now George struck back. Wild fight. Just as Lyle apparently had George in trouble. George punching power that we talked about in prior fights. Lyle is now ready to go in the round. Now Foreman was staggered. Foreman was staggered by a Lyle left. Foreman goes down.
right here.
His hands are down and so.
sa listahan ay ang laban niya kay Adelson Rodriguez noong June 16, 1990 na kung saan pinatikim ni Foreman ang kanyang malamasong suntok sa kanyang kabakbakan. Ating panoorin kung paano nga ba pinalangoy sa walang tubig ang kanyang kabakbakan sa ibabaw ng lona.
So heavy that what becomes a knockout punch doesn't always look like one, and Rodriguez goes down.
Ang ating pang-10 upang huli sa listahan ay laban niya kay Michael Moorer noong November 5, 1994 na kung saan pinaulanan ni Foreman na malulutong na kombinasyon power punch ang kanyang kabakbakan. Ating tunghayang paano nga ba hindi na nakatayo ang kanyang kabakbakan matapos itong tamaan ng isang sulirong kanan mula sa ating bida.
Moore's punches are landing 20, 350. To George.
You got a question at this point.
Goes back to the jab, which was effective by Michael Moore. Good right to the belt.
Fight that many people thought he had lost Alex.
He possibly already in the position of needing to hand that force Moore to give ground. Starts Moore in.
Necessarily the ability anymore to finish a fighter. He should have been all over Michael.
Driving the odds down, much the way the Strong in round number 10. Rattled Moore.
He just figured it's another fighter.
George Foreman enjoying his best round of the fight here in round 10. There's a right hand. Down goes Moore. Could be about to lose the heavyweight title. I don't believe this. Joe Cortez pulls up the count. It is over.
Watch for the beautiful left hook right hand combination. He walked right.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating 10 malulupit na knockout wins mula sa ating batikang boksingero sa heavyweight. Walang iba kundi si Jules Foreman. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood, walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, anong masasabi mo sa pinakitang performance ni Jules Foreman sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat, God bless. Bye bye!